Welcome to an auction theme video. This is part of the tutorial suite of the auction theme. In this video we will show you how to set up your custom logo here on your website using the SiteMile auction theme. So yeah, this will be a short video. First thing you have to do is obviously go to the website. We have a local version installed in our computer here. This will be your website address. You will have to log into the admin side. Let me do that real quick. Okay. We go to the admin area. We go to the auction theme menu. Now we go to the layout submenu, and we have here the header area. Either you can go to the media section here to upload your logo, or if you have the logo here, you go and take the URL and paste it into this box, or simply directly upload from here. So it's very simple. I do have my logo here. It's just a sample logo. This one. I add my image. I click insert into the post. It will add the URL of the logo here. Save my option, and now I go to the front page. See here, it has added my logo. Obviously, this sample logo is not so great because it has like a solid background. You would want to have like a PNG file with a transparent background, and then whatever the color you will use here in the header area, the logo will not show like this weird. But yeah, that's the process. It's a very simple process. I hope you have learned how to change your logo from this video. Check the link into the description box for more information and more tutorials about our auction theme. And if you have not purchased the auction theme and want to have your own auction website, or want to have an auction app, because we do make phone apps as well, you can check out our website into the description box. Even request for a free price code if you have a custom website. Yeah, and thanks.